I'm Charly Verma, part of our Samarth community, where the aim is to ensure that our elders lead a full life. Each of our household faces a problem every day. What should we eat or what should we cook today? This problem becomes more complex when there is an elder in the house. Studies in our country have shown that 50% of our elders have got malnutrition, and as high as 90% don't get the nutrients that they actually need for their body. These studies have shown that the elders have 9 peculiarities that affects their eating. First, as high as 30% of the elders face a loss of appetite, and this happens because the activity has reduced. Some of us face dental problems. We have broken tooth, missing teeth, we have dentures that don't fit properly, sores in the mouth. All these affect our eating. Some of us even have some difficulty in swallowing because as we age, the nerves and muscles involved in swallowing get weak. Depression, existing diseases, and their medications produce some side effects. And these side effects give you a metallic taste in your mouth, making eating a difficult process. Our taste buds, they get fewer in number as we get older. So the food doesn't taste as good. Our sense of smell becomes weaker. The food does not smell as inviting as it used to when we were younger. Our body's capacity to absorb calcium, vitamin D, etc. goes down, and we may need some supplements for it. Our poor mobility hinders our desire for shopping and cooking, which are involved in the process of getting your food on the table. Inadequate finance is one of the reasons that can also come in the way. Not all these 9 peculiarities will affect all of us, but even a few in a combination will ensure that the nutrients that we need do not reach our body at the correct place. As modernity embraces us, we also find that we tend to eat more processed foods like bread, pizzas, fried stuff, chips, snacks, etc. that are salty and very sugary. The study shows that 30% of our calorie intake in modern days is taken by these processed foods. These are not good for us. In a nutshell, we the elders are not getting the nutrients that we need. So what should we do? We should focus on eating greens, fruits, vegetables, fish, lean meat, low fat or fat-free dairy products, whole grains, etc. At the same time, word of caution also. We must avoid a few things. We must avoid junk food, we must avoid processed foods, salty items, soda items, energy drinks, alcohol, nicotine, etc. While we avoid these items, we may need some supplements because of our body's poor capacity to absorb some of vitamins and calcium. For that, what must be done is a regular medical checkup and a proper medical guidance so that these supplements are taken appropriately. सब कहते हैं कि बड़ों को सब पता होता है. हमें ये सब बातें अच्छी तरह से पता हैं, हमने पढ़ी हुई हैं, हमने समझी हुई हैं, पर हम बाज नहीं आते और हम स्वाद के पीछे भागते हैं. प्लीज़ अंडरस्टैंड दिस. स्वाद के पीछे भागने से आप अपना ही नुकसान करेंगे. स्वाद को छोड़िए और न्यूट्रिएंट्स को चुनिए. Detailed, specific, professional advice from a nutritionist on what we should put in our plates is given to you in the video whose link is given below for you. Happy eating to all the elders like me from our Samarth team. Thank you.
उम्मीद है कि आपको यह वीडियो अच्छा लगा. हम बहुत रेगुलरली मनी मैटर्स, हेल्थ और एंटरटेनमेंट पर सीनियर सिटीजन्स के लिए एक्सक्लूसिव वीडियोस रिलीज करते हैं। यदि आप हमारे नए वीडियोस को मिस नहीं करना चाहते तो नीचे दिए गए सब्सक्राइब बटन पर क्लिक करें।